So this next song, we want to dedicate to the hard-working people that work behind the scenes that make this shit possible. So make some noise for the fuckers behind the scenes that work so hard. Come on! We also want to thank our own crew that go fucking beyond what's needed to make this shit happen for us and for you. So make some noise for our one-man crew tonight. Mr. Luke Tasker, stage right. Come on! But most importantly, we want to dedicate this next song to everyone here tonight that's come down to watch us. Because without you, none of this shit would be possible. Make some noise for yourselves. Without further ado, this is We Are The Road Crew!